Let's build something beautiful today.
Every single millimeter matters here. Not close enough, Flowsid? Exactly right.
It starts with aircraft-grade aluminum, AINDI, certified, tested, perfect.
Today we're hitting 12 chassis units. Quality check every 45 minutes. No shortcuts, not in this building. There she is. Beautiful.
Panel 7A Hodier certified. Moving to frame section.
Every car we build carries all of this. This stuff is stronger than steel and weighs almost nothing. It's basically the future.
Baked under 200 pounds of pressure and 350-degree heat d'Herroi, carbon fiber bonds become nearly indestructible.
Perfect. Not a single void.
Zero tolerance from here. If it's off by half a millimeter, we redo it. Every bolt gets torqued twice, verified twice. That's non-negotiable. Okay. All right, beautiful. Let's bring you to life. No force. If you're forcing it, something's wrong.
Each bolt torqued in sequence, 175 foot-pounds, the difference between an engine that lasts decades and one that fails.
Timing is everything, in engines and in life.
Each one of these takes me 4 hours, and it shows.
780 horsepower, verified on the dyno before it ever sees the car.
That sound never gets old. Built by Mike Donovan, every single one.
We've run 4,000 simulations on this body shape. Every curve has a reason.
The computer gets us 80% there. The last 20% is human eyes and hands.
At 220 miles per hour, aerodynamics aren't optional. They're survival.
2,000 tons, 2 seconds. Beautiful every time.
Feel that? That tiny ridge? Customer's hand will find it. Ours has to first.
This wing generates 800 pounds of downforce at top speed. Size matters, but angle matters more.
11 coats of paint, each sanded between layers. The color you see is 3 days of work.
Oh, there you go, perfect.
Napa leather, hand selected. I can feel quality before I cut it. I've done this stitch for 24 years. My stitches are in cars in 60 countries.
The corners are where you earn your stripes. Anyone can do the flat sections.
37 individual carbon fiber trim pieces, each polished individually by hand.
This display runs at 240 hertz. No dead pixels, no stuck pixels, no exceptions.
A driver holds this wheel for thousands of miles. They deserve something worth holding.
I can do a door panel in 38 minutes. I've done it in 31 on a good day.
This is for the person who will sit here for the next 20 years. I want them to feel it.
This harness is 400 feet of wire total. Every connection is labeled and tested.
Touch these with bare hands and you leave acid. Cotton gloves. Always.
We're chasing fractions of a degree. Half a degree changes how this car talks to you.
That's what we've been building toward.
Every time. Still gives me chills.
A single fuel leak can cost a race or a life. Zero tolerance is the only tolerance.
We flash the engine map, verify every sensor, run the self-diagnostics, 3s, all before first start.
She's alive!
Oil pressure nominal, temps climbing normally, everything exactly where it should be. 180 microns on the hood, 178 on the door, within spec. Clean.
Every car spends 20 minutes in the water test. Dry inside means done right.
10,000 simulated miles in 3 hours. If there's a rattle, we find it here.
850 degrees Celsius, and the brakes still bite.
Final wheel check is always mine. Always.
Proper headlights save lives. Lit road ahead, darkness on the sides. Every car leaves with a perfect score. No exceptions since 1994.
You're perfect. Go be perfect.
Every car earns its road by first proving it deserves one.
I do this on every single wheel. The customer notices. They always notice. This badge represents everything we did. Every hour. Every decision.
Before delivery, every car receives a 6-hour hand detail. Because first impressions are permanent.
The last touch is mine, just like the first.
This car's entire life story in 200 pages. The owner gets to keep it all.
Under this cover, 4,200 hours of human skill, passion, and perfection.
Thank you.
I've waited 4 years for today.
My God.
It's even better than the renders.
Those are my initials.
Stitched by Margaret Stone. She's done this for 24 years. She wanted you to find them.
Every decision we made for your car is in here. The whole story.
I'll read every page.
What does she feel like? What does she feel like?
She feels like everything we put into her. You'll know in the first corner.
There goes number 847.
Everyone feels like the first one.
All right. Number 848 starts now. Let's make it better than the last one.
This is not just a car. It is 4,000 hours of human excellence. It is someone's dream, made real